guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing the sports car review, just like I did to luxury cars. So y'all ready? Hold on, let me take this car. Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing the luxury. So this is the Lamborghini Aventador. Look at the Lamborghini Aventador. And that's it for you, Baba. The Mercedes AMG GT3. The Mercedes AMG GT3. The Ford Mustang Boss. You see that? The Audi R8. The Porsche Panamera Turbo. Just to let you know, this is a Porsche Panamera Turbo, so like I think it is supposed to be with the SUVs and sport and luxury, so it's 3 types. So you go over there. Hold on, yeah, guys, I'll be back. Okay, and this is the Chevrolet Camaro. So yeah, it's orange, but yeah, I don't use this car so much, the Camaro, but yeah. The McLaren P1. I'm gonna paint it later on, so don't worry. Yeah, I'm gonna paint it. But first I'm gonna get the tape and then paint it. The Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. The Porsche 911. The Mazda RX-7. You see that? That's the Mazda. The Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. The Mustang GT. And then the Porsche Cayman. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe button and notification bell so you can get all the videos when I upload it. And always leave a comment down that you subscribe to me. Alright guys, so that's it for that. I'll see you guys next time.